Hey everybody, I'm Hugh Brownstone for 3 Blind Men and an Elephant, and today it's time to raise the curtain on our next workshop coming up soon. Following on the heels of an incredible experience at our Streets of New York workshop last month, I'm jazzed to tell you that coming in May, beginning the evening of the 20th and running through late afternoon the 22nd to be precise, Claudia and I will be offering a new intensive called From Photographer to YouTube Creator, aimed especially toward those of you who are already familiar with still cameras and who are either thinking about or have just moved into video. Once again, we're delighted to have the same incredible New York City location, courtesy of our friends at Hasselblad's New York Experience Studio in NoHo. This is going to be a jam-packed 2.25 days. By the end of it, you'll either be up and running with your very first YouTube video or have learned how different your next video and expectations for it are going to be. Most importantly, we'll help you find your unique artistic voice in an increasingly crowded space. If you know our channel, you've already seen a lot of me. I just want a camera that represents the shortest distance between my intent and my ability to execute. Who were your influences that led you to that decision?
I don't know that I had any influences. Maybe my next door neighbor or my dentist. I remember taking pictures of my dentist.
But Claudia can tell you a lot about how things work behind the scenes. Did you find the AM around?
Did you check in your pockets?
Oh, never mind. I found it. How to be creative and pragmatic at the same time without, unlike some of us, obsessing over the gear. As our main camera op, gimbal op, audio tech, and location scout whenever we're outside of the Batcave, as well as co-director and co-producer on many of our videos, she has a fresh take on what's required to get the shot. I've been planning the syllabus for this particular workshop since last fall, and I'm stoked to share both our love for New York and video storytelling on the one hand, and saving you a pile of grief by sharing with you our recommendations on everything from gear, camera, audio, lighting, editing, and more, sound, footage, music licensing, to technique and mindset, developed over hundreds, actually, of online gear reviews, dozens of interviews, and a few inches of scar tissue. We're once again strictly limiting group size to allow for the kind of really rich interactions and one-on-one instruction we enjoy. So, part classroom instruction, part pre-production planning, part shooting indoors and out, a whole chunk of editing because that's always where the magic happens, and feedback in a supportive, nurturing environment. To learn more, hop over to www.3bmep.com, click on the workshop tab, and then click on From Photographer to YouTube Creator to learn more. We are so excited. See you there.
I don't like to talk about anything.
Oh, we are hosed. We are so hosed.